In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access your work from home and how you can attend a live lesson. The first thing you need to do is go to the St Aldham's Academy webpage. So I'm just going to type it here into a search engine, and I suggest this is the best route, as any information that you may need or any important messages will be on the webpage. But if you scroll to the bottom, you'll notice there's a link to Microsoft Office 365. If you select this, it will then prompt you to log in. And your login will be your ID number followed by the email address, which is staldhams-academy.co.uk. And then the password will be the same password that you use to log into school. Once you've signed in to the Office 365 area, you will see all the icons and all the Microsoft apps which are available to you, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, your email, OneDrive, and here's Teams. So I'm going to select Teams. And Teams is the portal where all your work and assignments will be set and where you can access the live lessons. And you'll notice here there's a few teams in this example page. These are all engineering groups, but obviously you'll have other subjects. MA would be maths, EN will be English, etc. So I'm going to go on to my, and here there's a Year 7 engineering lesson. So I'm going to click onto here, and you'll see that there's an assignment that has been set. Now, this shows up in the posts. There's the assignments at the top, but in the post it says here assignment. So I'm going to view this assignment, and this has been set, and there's the objective. So as I go onto that, click onto that, you'll see again the objective at the top, and then some information about the task which I need to do. And it's asking me to open the PowerPoint below and complete the task. This is just a drag and drop task. So I'm going to select the PowerPoint and I'm going to open it up. And by clicking on it, it opens up within Teams. And quite simply, it's asking me to drag which component I think is an input, which component I think is a process, or which components I think are outputs into the boxes. Now, in Microsoft Teams, the work is automatically saved. So if I was to close this down, it would save at the point that I've finished what I'm doing. But to let the teacher know that I've completed the work, I need to hand it in. So once I'm happy with what I've done, I'm going to close it down, then I'm going to press turn in, and you get a little reward come up when I've pressed it. And you can see it's gone to undo turn in. So if I've realised I've made a mistake or I need to change it, I can click undo turn in and change what I've done. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can access a live lesson. So if you're at home isolating, you can access the work for the lesson, but your teacher may also choose to record or be live during that lesson. So selecting the group that you're in, click the join button. And you'll notice here on the toolbar, when you've joined, that there's an option where you can open up the chat panel. This is where you can communicate with your teacher. Notice the mic and the video don't need to be on. So you've asked to join this lesson, and in a minute you'll see me, there I am, ready to start the lesson. Now, I will be sharing a PowerPoint for this lesson, and I'm going to talk at this moment in time. I'm just talking through what the PowerPoint means and what the lesson is about. So during this time, if there's anything that you're not sure about or don't understand, you're quite welcome to ask a question in the chat. So here the teacher's actually already asked me, have I got any questions? And I'm going to say, okay, I didn't understand the bit about the target market. So I'm going to type that in below here. and then I can post that, and then the teacher can see that question. There's also an option just to put your hand up, and again, during a lesson, if during the lesson you're unsure of something, you can press the hand up icon, and then that notifies the teacher you've got a question or there's something that you are not sure about. So having seen the PowerPoint and having heard your teacher talk through the lesson, you'll be then expected to complete an assignment or a form to fill in or a task based on that lesson.